back. It's been about a month since I've shown myself on YouTube, but a lot of things have just changed in my life. Mainly that I've moved, so that's the whole thing, like me moving and just why and whatever. If you don't think that's too interesting, I decided to include a little previous workstation tour. It's basically just me going around showing where everything was. I did want to make like originally a good workstation tour, room tour, like having all beautiful shots and just everything finished, but that never happened, and since I always knew that I wanted to move out, it just never really got together. This video will be quite random, me rambling on, but I feel like why not sit down and talk. I feel like I've just recently been in this holiday vacation mood. You do know what vacation mode is. You don't feel like doing anything responsible and just no mail, no this, no appointments and stuff like that. And I'm generally very bad with that kind of thing. Like I'm a bad texter and I'm a bad replier. So lazy and procrastinating. It's beyond how I am functioning right now. I really don't know that if I have changes and can make excuses, then it's gonna go bad. So basically what I'm saying is that even though it was kind of okay for me to settle into this new place and everything, I realized that this is my life, and I'm very much excited to get you guys along with me. I'm definitely not much of a vlogger and like personally showing my life, and this is why I've been kind of dead this last month. I really don't know how much you guys are interested in. I feel like I have been on YouTube for a few years now. I have not been too personal, and so why not get along better and just show more of myself. So I think I need to start at the beginning. Hi guys, my name is Rebecca. I'm an almost 23-year-old. I live in Switzerland and I'm an artist on YouTube. Now, I've been on YouTube for almost 4 years. I believe my anniversary will be in August or in September. I'm not quite sure when I first uploaded my video, which has been a long time ago, which I can't believe. I originally started as a booktuber reviewing books, and then I moved over as an artist because I've always done art, but I've never really felt comfortable and just, you know, never really felt like sharing, and YouTube definitely helped me share and be more comfortable with my art. And I still am learning, I'm still just growing, and it's been so much fun. Sometimes you feel like it's not going anywhere, and I don't feel like that right now, but I just kind of had it on the back burner and I want to bring it back. My favorite medium is definitely watercolors right now, but I definitely like changing up everything and trying out new mediums and new videos and challenges and just figuring out exactly what I want, and it's been very fun. I've met a ton of beautiful, kind people, which I'm just so happy and grateful that I've met, and I've kind of neglected this month. I will sit down, watch a ton of videos, reply, comment, show some love, because you guys are all really awesome people, and I'm so happy I met you. So I really want to give back. That's kind of the whole thing that I've been talking about for a while, but really I am very appreciative of this community. Now, in real life, if you can say it that way, in real life I'm not an artist. Well, I still do art, but I'm not like somebody who pursues art or does anything in that way. Actually, I'm a nurse. I know I think I've mentioned it before, but this is what I do. I've never thought I would be a nurse. I always thought that I was too shy and introverted and all of that to become a nurse, but it's something that I just fell into and I've completely fallen in love with. I'm so passionate working with people, helping, learning so much about biology and all of that, and it's something that I've just really enjoyed. And I just finished my first 3-year course in the summer, and I decided I wanted to move on in my profession, but just for myself, to say, hey, I want to be more comfortable, I want to be confident in my profession, I want to get more professional, and I decided to go on, do another 2-year course, which is the reason why everything here has changed. Although I could have easily just stayed at home, I could to my local school, I could go to a local like workplace and learn all of this, make it easier and cheaper and whatever. I really thought I would need a change. I just think change is good, and putting yourself out there, it's hella scary and kind of nervous about everything, but so far my experience has been super good. Like, I've started working at my workplace and they're all super friendly. It's all new, it's just a lot of more responsibilities and everything, but it's something that I'm proud of myself that I've decided to make that step. And I feel like a lot of you guys are still, or already, I think it's a constant thing. You're always somewhere where you're like, I could have done more, could have done less. in this decision stage, and I really hope you guys can make a decision for yourself and try to do something different and do it, whatever it is. I'm very interested what you guys are actually doing. I think if you can comment that would be so fun, because although we're all artists on YouTube, I'm always so interested in what people do, what their interests are, what their professions are. So if you want to let me know, then that would be awesome. I would love to hear what kind of profession, or I don't know, you tell me where you are. So what I actually changed is, where was I? My goal kind of was to move out, to move to a different place where I can like just do different things. Luckily enough, my sister, she's currently in her second year studying in Lucerne. Lucerne is a city in Switzerland, which is a beautiful city. I definitely want to take my camera and go around, like film and do like an urban sketching video, and just, you know, I have no excuses anymore that I'm not in a beautiful place. This is just so beautiful, so that definitely will happen soon. But basically she was here and she said, well, if you want to come over to where I am, then we could take a flat together. That would be cheaper for both of us. And I thought, well, that's that. So she actually organized all of this. I am living now in an apartment with my sister. She like did all of the searching stuff, and my sister, honestly, she's so good. Like, she's so good with organizing and being on top of work. I'm just I definitely have to grow as a person and just get to that, because I'm such a procrastinator. This week we just got all the furniture, which was awesome. It's all from home, and we got a ton of things from IKEA. I definitely want to set everything up and eventually do a room tour, but I honestly don't know how long that will take, because I'm very indecisive. I definitely want to hang up some pictures, but at home I didn't hang up anything because I could not decide. So I don't think it will be better, but maybe. I don't know. That's pretty much the whole story. I know it's not that wild and different. I didn't move to a different country or whatever, but if you're also somebody who is kind of stuck and always in the same routine, even the slightest change will be an experience, will be a challenge. And I think it's good to have a challenge. And I by no means have everything under control. I still think sometimes like, what the heck am I doing? Why I'm doing this? It could make life so much easier, but I don't know. I will definitely try it. The course I will start in November, the nursing course, will be a tough one and a hard one, because, you know, if it was easy, then everybody would do it. Just letting you know where my life is right now. And like I said before, I really would be interested in where you guys are at right now. Just so much is happening with our lives, and we only show so much on YouTube. And let me know what you think about me getting a little bit more personal. I still feel uncomfortable doing it, to be honest, and I'm not quite sure who is interested, but maybe I will do more I will start doing live streams, and then I can answer a little more personal questions and, you know, get to know you guys, and you can get to know me. I guess all I have to say is thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon. So goodbye. Okay guys, so this is the room. I do have a lot of stuff, I think, that I don't necessarily need. Like, I do like unhauling and having just the minimal essentials what you need, and that's why I think moving is just a great solution. Really the only thing that is decorated here is like my plants, and I've taken good care of my plants, I think. Like, I have another one right here, which you've probably also seen in videos. I love adding them as props, and they just give a natural kind of vibe, which I just like, and they survived. Like, also this one here is doing quite good. Like, well, I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh god, do you see this? I have a visitor. Hi, Mr. Spider. These beautiful big bookshelves. I haven't really been reading much, unfortunately, in recent times, just because of all the exams and schoolwork, and I don't know, it just has not been a priority, and I really want to get back into it. I have a ton of to-be-read books, TBR books down here. Wait, where are they? They're really messy, and there's no real system here, which, you know, is kind of showing that I neglected these. If you like books, then just take this in, because there's so many beautiful, wonderful books on here, and I really want to do another like bookish video. Next to the bookshelf, I have this tiny little wired gallery wall thing. Not sure how to call it. I love having all of these prints. I definitely want to do a prints collection video, just sharing some artworks, sharing some artists that inspire me and motivate me, but yeah, this is the only thing that I have here. It's just this small tiny thing, so I will see what I can do with the new place. This corner, as you can see, I have my art light. Again, I got this off Amazon. This is just super practical because it gives natural blue, I don't know how to call it, but like not the yellow kind which can distort your art and colors, and it's just better for your eyes. Originally I did intend to use this for like video filming at night, which is still something I want to do, but natural light is just so much better. And here I have some journals and sketchbooks that I just want to remember to use more, because I think if it's right in your face, it's like, oh, still need to journal. Back I have some thingy where I can keep all of my documents that again I need to be doing, so I have it right on my desk. So then, as you already seen, I have this big desk mat, however it's called, and on it I have contact paper. So this side is marble, this side is white. If you are looking for a plain background or just want to change it up, contact paper is really simple. It's super cheap. In the back here I have this IKEA shelving unit. It's a Kallax where I keep basically everything else. Everything is quite messy. I still have some school supplies. I'm not gonna go through all of the shelves because they're just messy. I think here I just have some spare art supplies, like I have some acrylics. And I do want to take all of this with me. In the corner here I keep paper and like blocks of just buy. It's very unstable, and this is probably the worst kind of way to hold up paper. It probably will all break and wrinkle. On top of this I keep some of my sketchbooks. I did unhold a lot of sketchbooks that I didn't use, and so these are just, I think, all filled up, or pretty much filled up. So again, I could do a sketchbook collection with like my favorite good book about urban sketching. There's some finished artwork. I'm not sure where to go with these, because on one hand I want to hang them up, but I don't know where and how, and I don't know where to keep them. So right now I just keep everything here. Maybe I will take these with me, I'm not quite sure. In this corner again I try to keep it simple. I have my brushes here, another plant thingy which is actually fake and so much easier to take care of. Glasses that I never wash out and then they get really dirty, but yeah. Watercolor supplies. Main attraction of this thing is this IKEA cart. You've all seen it. A ton of YouTubers, a ton of artists have this. It's so practical, like super practical. I have all of my art supplies that I use regularly on top. Usually I just throw in everything that I use, so as you can see, it's messy, but it really works. And the great thing about this is that you can just take it out from the corner. If you have like a hobby like sewing or even makeup or anything, then this is so practical. It does it. So yeah, I think that's it for this tour. I really hope you like this, and if you have any questions, then just let me know.